this video I will discuss about oxidation and reduction reaction, or together is called, this one is redox reaction. So first of all, know this one is oxidation. What is oxidation, or define oxidation? So according to old concept, the addition of oxygen to a substance is called oxidation. So this one is what? The addition of oxygen to a substance is called oxidation reaction. Okay, that means the addition of oxygen to a substance is called oxidation reaction. Or you can tell also this one, see, the removal of hydrogen from a substance is also called oxidation reaction. Okay, the removal of hydrogen from a substance is called oxidation reaction. So this one is old concept. So according to old concept, what is the oxidation reaction? Okay, what is the oxidation reaction? The addition of oxygen to a substance is called oxidation, or the removal of hydrogen from a substance is also called oxidation reaction. Or new concept, that means according to electronic concept, loss of electron or electrons is called oxidation. Okay, loss of electron or electrons, this one is called what? Now another one, see, reduction. Okay, reduction. So define reduction. This reduction according to old concept, this one is the addition of hydrogen to a substance is called reduction. Okay, the addition of hydrogen to a substance is called reduction, or the removal of oxygen from a substance is also called reduction. Okay, that means the addition of hydrogen to a substance is called reduction, or the removal of oxygen from a substance is called reduction. Okay, or according to electronic concept, this one is what? Gain of electrons or electron. The gain of electron or electrons is called reduction. Okay, then oxidation means what? According to electronic concept, oxidation is loss of electron is called oxidation. Okay, loss of electrons is called oxidation, and gain of electron is called reduction. So one example, you can see this one, CuO plus H2. Okay, I can write here nicely. Then one example, CuO plus H2 to form Cu plus H2O. Okay, now here to this much, see, from this compound from this compound, this oxygen, this one is removal of oxygen here to here. So this one is called what? Reduction. Here to here, this one is called oxidation. See, adding of oxygen. Here to adding of oxygen, that means oxidation. Here adding a removal of oxygen, this is reduction. Okay, removal of oxygen is reduction. Understood? This one. Then here to sure, this is removal. See, this is CuO, copper oxide. Copper oxide is only copper. So this one is what? Removal of oxygen. So you can write removal of oxygen. That means reduction. And here addition of oxygen. Here addition. Here to here. This one is addition. Okay. Then addition of oxygen. So addition of oxygen is called oxidation. So this one is oxidation. Okay, oxidation. Understood? This one. So another example you can see. Another example is now suppose ZnO plus C to form Zn plus CO. Now you can see here to this much. See, ZnO, oxygen is there, but here oxygen not there. So this one is what? Removal of oxygen. This one is called what? Removal of oxygen. This one is reduction. Here to here. See, CO, carbon, and here carbon monoxide. So here oxygen, adding of oxygen, adding of oxygen. That means this one is oxidation. So this one is example of oxidation and reduction.